breathe in, breathe out, and we're going to do something because you're all heroes. Everyone repeat after me. But first, give them a round of applause. Everybody clap for them. All right, go have a seat. You're welcome. Good job. Give them a round of applause. Come on. All right, everyone repeat after me, and then we're done. Everyone say, I am a hero. I help everyone. Respect others. Let's do it one more time. Everybody stand up first. Repeat after me. I'm a hero. I help everyone. Respect others. And give yourself a high five. And now everybody say crisscross applesauce and your teachers will tell you where to go.
Hey everyone, thank you so much for watching my videos. Ron Schwally here. Just wanted to say I appreciate you. Feel free to like, subscribe, and click on the bell if you want to see more videos coming your way to be alerted. Just thank you so much, and feel free to share this content with anybody who you think would find some value from this. Have an awesome, joyous, wonderful, breath-filled rest of your day.